Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'm going to film a video and tutorial of this look here. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please keep on watching if you want to learn how to complete this look, and also please subscribe to my channel. I'll also link down all the products I used today. Thank you. So I am going to go ahead and start with the Physicians Formula Matte Primer, and I am going to rub that all over the lid. So for eyeshadow today, I'm going to use the Meet Matte Trimony by the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with Matte Lin and sweep that all over the lids to set that primer so there's no tackiness when applying the next shadows that I need to put on. So I'm going to take Matte Rosy and sweep that all through my crease and make that my transition shade. Now I'm going to dip into Matte Kumar and put that right under that transition shade I already put in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and dip in the Matte Moskowitz. I'm going to put that in the outer corner, sweep it into my crease, and then put it in my inner corner. I want this look to kind of look like a halo look. Now for this part, I do dip into Matte Rosy lightly, sweep that back in to blend everything out, just so everything can mesh together. So now I'm going to go ahead and dip into another palette. It is the Tarte Make Believe in Yourself. We're going to take the Marble shade. I'm going to go ahead and put it in that blank area that I created during the halo look, and blend it all in together. Now I go back with a clean fluffy brush and just clean it up a bit just to make sure everything is blending correctly. For primer, I used the First Lighting Primer Filter from Becca. I did have a sample size. It was my first time trying out. It was pretty interesting. For my under eyes, I go in with the Origins GinZing, and this is to brighten my under eyes, and I take that and massage it in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics massager. Today I decided to color correct, and I went in with the Rimmel color corrector. Green did have some red spots that needed to be covered. I take my L'Oreal sponge and I blend that all in before putting on my foundation. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Dream Cushion Maybelline foundation with my Moda foundation brush. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that all in. I did go back in with my L'Oreal sponge just to press that into my skin and give it a seamless look. For concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Master Conceal, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my under eyes, forehead, my nose, and my chin, and this is the shade Light Medium. Now back to my L'Oreal sponge and blending all that in. Now to set that concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline Fit Me Setting Powder in Light. For contour, I'm going to use my e.l.f. contour palette. I'm going to take the lightest shade there is, and I'm going to use that for contouring today. Now for blending the contour, I'm going to use my NYX contour brush and blend all that contour in. I'm going to take another Maybelline Fit Me Setting Powder and I'm going to use it in medium to set my entire face. For bronzing, I'm going to go ahead and use the Maybelline New York Master Bronze. And I'm going to use that last shade, and it's the darkest shade. So back to my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take an angle brush, and I'm going to take the Matte Mask Wish shade, and I am going to line my lower lids. I'm going to highlight the inner point of my eyes with the highlight shade from the Master Bronze collection. For brows today, I'm going to go ahead and use the Brow Benefit pomade. Now I'm going to go ahead and tint my eyebrows with the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the EM Cosmetic liner, and I am going to line above my lashes only to give the look a little bit of definition. I'm going to go back in my eyebrows and use the Brow Food Clear Brow to go ahead and set my brows. For blush today, I'm going to use the Tarte Color Wheel, and I'm going to use the color Culture for blush. For mascara, I am using the Voluminous L'Oreal's Fall Lashes Mascara. Now I will be going in with the Ofra Cosmetics and Nikkie Tutorials collab highlighter, and I'm going to use it to highlight my face. So for all those wondering why I'm making so many faces, my first time using this highlighter, and that was a glow. Just saying. For lips, I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie. I don't remember the name of this color, but I'll go ahead and link it down below for you guys. And I am going to use a lip topper. I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star and Jouer lip topper. So this is the end of my video. I did get an idea because this was a Glow AF look. I went ahead and used the IGK pre-party glitter spray, and I sprayed that all over my hair. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that alarm button. Bye guys.